Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to thank all of you who subscribed to me recently. Today I'm going to do a very simple video about a 3-step eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my Dream Street palette, and you can use any 3 colors that you like. All you need is a dark shade, a light shade, like a highlight shade, and like a middle shade, I guess. Shooting Star is going to be my middle shade. Elfish is going to be my dark shade. And my light shade is going to be Moony. I already primed my eyelids with this, and then I set it with a powder. Let's get started. I'm gonna get really close to the camera now. Don't be afraid. I'm gonna start with this fluffy brush and this right here. When you blend, you want to do circular motions. I'm going to go a little darker, a little bit lower. I'm going to use a more dense brush. Okay. So that's our first color. Our second color, we want to go in with the darker color. And we're going to use that to darken the outside of the eye. So just here. I'm going to use this kind of fluffier shader brush. Looks like this. I dropped my brush. I'm going to pack on the color. So don't blend. First, you just pack it on. Then you can blend here as well. And you build it up to how you want it to look. I'm sweeping it through my crease. And now I'm going to pull it in like this. Just to here. I'm going to pull the color over like that. I'm going to put more on the outside actually. I want it darker. Dark. My mom said I always curl my fingers. You're supposed to dark. With your flat hand, dark. So now I'm going to use Moony to highlight. I'm going to use that sign for highlight right here. Just the bare part of my eye. You can use a shiny color or matte. It doesn't matter. If you want like a nighttime look, you can use like a darker color if you want, but I'm just using the lightest color in my palette for that, okay? Now I'm going to use the same brush to blend the middle part. Now I'm going to go underneath my eye with the same colors. So you want your middle color to be all the way, your bright color halfway, and then your dark color only on the outside, third. My cat's playing over there. Make sure that you blend well underneath, like this. If you just put the color on, it's going to be too dark for under your eye compared to the top part. So and I'm going to use my highlight shade to just touch the top of the brow and my inner corner. So, yeah. I'm going to finish my second eyeball and then I'll be right back. I'll see you later. So this is my finished look. I hope that you all enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos in sign language for hearing and deaf.